Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today what I will be doing is I'm going to be recreating an old Instagram photo that I had done. Now this is one, this was so many years ago. This is, now obviously I had contacts in, so you have to ignore that. But let's see if I can get it to focus. So here we go. This is what it is. This was from March 2nd of 2012. This was before I really even did like a whole lot of makeup. I would just I would see things on Pinterest or on Tumblr and then I would try to recreate it. Now, as you can see, this is before I even did my eyebrows. I didn't contour, I didn't use highlighter. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to recreate this look. Obviously, I'm not going to use the same stuff that I did before. What I used before to make this look was these palettes here. Which these are the LA color palettes that I had gotten from the dollar store because at the time I did not have a whole lot of money, so I couldn't just spend a whole lot of money on makeup. Now so today what I'm going to be using instead is, now this is also not that expensive either, but it is a little bit better of a brand than the LA colors. This is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, and let me open it up here. So this is what it looks like. It has a bunch of rainbow colors in it, which is exactly what we're going to need, along with some black and like what looks like almost a pearl kind of green color and then a pearl kind of pinky color. But has a lot of mattes in it, which is what we're going to be using today. I even have with me the old Pinterest photo. Here we go. Of what I used to copy that look. So it's a rainbow look, and so this is going to be the same photo that I'm going to use today as well. And what we're going to do is, now all I have so far is just moisturizer on my skin. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start off by priming the eyelids. I am using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Alright, and before we get started on the eyes, I will go ahead and zoom you in so that way you can get a little bit of a better look as to what we're doing here. So, what we're going to start off with is, we're going to start off with a base. So what we're going to do is, even though I have the primer on, because I want these colors to be very vibrant, I am going to use the Jumbo Eye Pencil from NYX in the color Milk. This is basically just a white jumbo pencil. This is going to make the colors really pop. And then I am going to set that with the Wet n Wild eyeshadow in Sugar. Alright, so what we're going to do, which is probably going to make this a little easy, is we will start from the inner and work our way out. So the first color we're going to use is, I think we're going to go with a mixture of this green here and then this one down here, to kind of get that good. We're going to try this one first and see how it works. Alright, and then we're going to go into this light blue here using that same brush because we are going to be trying to blend these colors in together. I'm going to go back into that lighter green just to blend a little better there. Alright, then we're going to go into this darker blue here. And then we're going to go into this darker purple blue here. This is going to also help with transitioning those colors together. Alright, now we're going to go into this purple here. And I am still using the same brush. This is a crown brush that I'm using, just kind of cleaning it off every so often. Alright, and then we're going to go into this pink color here. Alright, now that we've got pretty much where we want the colors at, we're going to go in with a different brush, and this is going to help us with kind of blending out everything a little better. We're going to kind of touch in on all the colors again in the same order, but this time we're going to blend them up a little higher. I'm taking a clean brush now and I'm just blending those edges out. And I'm taking this white pearl color here to do the brow with. And we're just going to clean up that fallout under the eyes. This is why I did not put the foundation on yet, because I knew we were going to have some fallout with these bright colors. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and put my foundation on and everything, so come back and we will finish up on the eyes. So I'll be back in just a moment. So I have a little bit of face makeup on, and I went ahead and did the eyeliner on the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and work on the bottom lash line now. So what we're going to start off with is we're going to start off with that green again, this green here. Then the next thing is we're going to go in with this kind of orange yellow color there. It's going to be our next color in the line. And we're going to go in with the orange, which is this one here. And go on with that orange. And then we're going to go back into that original pink color here, just to marry them all together from the top and the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead offline, go ahead and finish up the rest of my eye makeup, putting my mascara on and the eyeliner on my lower lash line, and come back to show you the complete look. So we'll be back in just a moment. I pretty much have all of my makeup on, minus my lip color, because that was the very last thing of my picture, was having a very dark kind of vampy lip. So that is what I'm going to go with today. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Vamp. So let me go ahead and we're going to line my lips real quick. Alright, so this is the finished look. I thank you for watching. If you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And you can hit that notification bell so you will be reminded the next time that I upload. I again thank you for watching, and you have a great day.